All right, good morning, guys. Today we have 500 odds, total of 10 matches, over and both team to score all together. Let's get started. And then before we move on, kindly hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Okay, the first game we have here is a game in Turkey Amateur League where Ankara is taking on Buyakesha, and my prediction here is both team to score at full time. Then the next one we have is in Romania where FC Botusanda is taking on FC Unire at 2004 slow. Bozia, my prediction here is both team to score at full time. Moving on, we have a game here in Albania where Dinamo Tirana is taking on Blaze Balis, and my prediction here is both team to score at full time. Next one we have is a game in Romania where Dinamo Butami taking on Geria, and my prediction here is both team to score. The next one we have still in Romania where FC Utah is taking on FC Dinamo Brusqueti. And my prediction here is both team to score at full time. Moving on, we have a game in Portugal where Luxios is taking on Tondela. Tondela, my prediction here is over both team to score at full time. The next one we have is a game in the England Amateur League where Adelaide FC is taking on Worthing FC. My prediction here is both team to score rather of over 2.5 goals at full time. The next one we have is a game in Hungary where Vasas FC is taking on Kasamis Leni, and my prediction here is over 2.5 goals at full time. Next one we have here is a game in Israel Premier League where Beitar Jerusalem is taking on Opel Beersheva. My prediction here is over 2.5 goals. Then the last game on this ticket is a game in the Italy Serie C where FC Como is taking on Sassuolo Calcio. My prediction here is over 2.5 goals at full time. That gives us a total of 10 matches, 509 odds. Um, Kindly bet responsibly, and here's the booking code for those people using Sportybet. And if you are not using Sportybet, go ahead and select this game in your own local bookie, and do not forget to share and like this video with your friends. And if you want to join VIP, I will leave my WhatsApp link in the comment section where you chat me up on WhatsApp or sign you up. And remember, the VIP is a paid service, it's not free, and there's no pay after. I will see you guys after the game. I wish you guys good luck and bet responsibly. Happy New Week once again.